Hey everyone, it's Curry Gaming back again with another video, and today I went to one of my local Targets and I found some I found two of the four special Target exclusives that they have there. Surprisingly, these two trucks that I have for you today were very easy to find because they had like three or four of each of these, so I'm going to show them to you right now. So the ones I got were the Red Hulk and Iron Spider. I'm just blown away that I found these two, and I'm also kind of surprised that these are actually very easy to find now because, I mean, like, back then they were just like random trucks that came out of nowhere and we were still trying to learn about them, and now they're all of a sudden easy to find because Targets are being stocked up with them and everyone's starting to find them now and they're becoming easy to find. So yeah, so they had like a dump-in end cap at Target, and they had like a gazillion of the Red Hulk and Iron Spider. So like, if anyone in my area is looking for them, well, head to that Target because they got them. So yeah. So we are going to start with Red Hulk. Here's the connecting crash car, and here is the Red Hulk. Oh man, this is so cool. So it's got a matte red finish with gray rims and orange beadlocks, and brown fenders to represent Red Hulk's pants. I personally like Red Hulk better than the regular Hulk, because I really like red monster trucks. If you know me as a collector, I personally like collecting all the red monster trucks out there. So yeah, this was a really cool addition and I'm glad to have it. Not too much detail, just, you know, the red color and everything, but that's alright, still pretty cool. So that was Red Hulk. We'll put him to the side. And now we're going to check out Iron Spider. Connecting crash car, and here's the truck. Now, I don't know, I could be wrong, but like, I believe I'm the fourth or fifth person on YouTube to review Red Hulk and Iron Spider, because the first person to review Iron Spider was Monster Jam OCD, and then he reviewed Red Hulk later and stuff like that. So yeah, Iron Spider is a really cool truck. Obviously, it's painted to look like the Iron Spider character from Avengers Infinity War and Avengers Endgame and Spider-Man Far From Home, because there were a couple scenes with Iron Spider. And yeah, this is an awesome paint job. I really like it. So it's got like a grayish blue outline of the fenders there. You got the robotic Spider-Man face. You got the spider logo. You got the red spoiler. Got a red roll cage. Yellow beadlocks, black rims. Man, this truck is awesome. Alright, so that was the review of Red Hulk and Iron Spider. These two trucks will make their sign-up series debut in sign-up series number 22. So yeah. Alright guys,
Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.